Weche mag yiero eni duol mar IEBC oyango ni arita kwe oseridi kuonde mabende dhi bag yiero madundo chieng' tich ang'wen jumani kolose gwenge mag Mbeere North. Jatatije ka IEBC Marjan Hussein owacho ni gin kod geno ni ikruok moseketi ni yiero go ahinya to weche mag arita e kinde yiero kod bang' yiero ni kare kendo onge chochni mora mora mabende biro bedo.
Appropriate arrangements have been put in place. There is nothing to worry. Everything is going to be okay.
Ensure that there is sufficient security to enable elections to go on peacefully on the 27th of November. As we are speaking to you now, we have just had a security meeting. We have been assured that we should be able to hold elections on 27th of November under a peaceful environment. We are satisfied with what the security team has put in place for this purpose.
Bende duolno lero ni gisechiwo duoko makare ne ng'ur duto mabende nchane ochwale nyime kalure kod yiero makamano. Ngire Francis Aduol en commissioner mar duol mar IEBC.
Candidates and everybody else was given 48 hours to lodge any complaint that they might have against another candidate. The people did do that, and we responded to those. We have a special committee called the Dispute Resolution Committee that sat and dealt with the cases that came before us within the deadline. But anything that didn't come before us within the deadline, we were unable to respond to. It is 48 hours, and then we have 10 days to deal with the complaints, and we did do so within the framework, the regulations, and the law.